Today we are going to see the 26th Sthothram. Suprasaadah Prasannaatmaa Visvadhrik Visvabhuk Vibhuh Satkartaa Satkritah saadhur jahnur-naaraayano Narah. Suprasaadah. Prasadam means happy. Suprasaadah means with all the happiness. That is the supreme grace that Bhagavan is having. And he is totally satisfied with himself. And he is so wonderful that he gives salvations to those who is harming him, who is hurting him. For example, he gave salvation to Pudana, who gave poison to him. And he gave salvation to Kamsa, who was torturing his parents, as well as his birth is to kill Kamsa. And third one is the Shishupala, who was born with 3 eyes, and Krishna Bhagavan gave him 100 offenses before killing him with the Sudarshana Chakra. Prasannaatmaa. Atma means soul. Prasanna means happy. That means he is Sattvigam. There are 3 gunas. That is Rajoguna, Tamoguna, Sattviga guna, Satoguna, Sattvaguna. Sattvaguna, Rajoguna, Tamoguna. And this Sattvaguna is something that is closer to Bhagavan. Rajoguna means the things that we get influenced by other things. And Tamoguna is the bad things, that thoughts or actions that comes to our mind. And Bhagavan is considered to be the Sattvigam, ever pure, and he is all blissful self. And he doesn't have any attachment. Only if you have attachment, you will have that sorrow. He is always attached to only the devotees, and devotees are, he himself is born as devotees. And he is attached only through the dharma, the truth and justice. Visvadhrik. Dhrik means supporter. Vishwa means universe. And who is holding the universe? That power is called Bhagavan. And also the universe can also be taken as the emotions or thoughts that we have in our mind. Visvabhuk. Bhuk means swallow. Vishwa means universe. At the time of Pralayam, he is swallowing the universe, and after that new yuga starts and he is creating it. So he is there to give the proper mind or consciousness for us that these are all temporary, and the intellectual thoughts or experience of joy and sorrow, which we can say that these are all not permanent. This comes and goes anytime, but only the blissful happiness that we get from Bhagavan is only permanent. Vibhuh. Vibhuh means Bhagavan is taking different forms at the time of saving the dharma. That is different avatarams, and he is taking different, not like avataram also. He is also coming here to protect his devotees when it is required. Satkartaa. Karta means the actions. Satkartaa means the good action. So those who are doing good, who is wise, Bhagavan will adore them. And Satkartaa means he is always very good at hospitality. He always welcomes everybody, and he is there to protect you when any harmful things are coming. Satkritah. Satkritah means he is always adorned by those who knows Bhagavan. We all adore Bhagavan. That's why we are telling his namas. The Sanat Kumara and the Narada are the people who keep on adoring Bhagavan all the time. That's why Narada and Sanat Kumara, they keep telling Naaraayanah. Saadhuh. Saadhuh means who is always acting according to the justice. Saadhuh means the who lives in the righteous code of living. There is a righteous code of living, and he has to follow only that when he has to satisfy his mind. We all has to live in the righteous code of living. We should not keep thinking of ourselves. We should keep thinking of others who are around us. And there is a 3 stages: waking, dream and deep sleep. And in the waking stage we remember, And the dream, something we remember, vague things. And deep sleep, only we converse with the soul. That soul has to be satisfied only if you lead our life through the dharma. Jahnuh means who is dissolve all the creations at the time of dissolution or the pralayam. And he is the leader of men. Bhagavan always leads and through the rhythm of karma. And he knows what is action and reaction. So he is always tempting us to lead life through the action of dharma. Next is Naarayana. Naarayana means he is the shelter for everybody. He is the place we can take abhayam. And he is the refugee for each and every egocentric person also who thinks of himself. Bhagavan also gives shelter to that person only if he follows the dharma and karma, not hurting others. And there is the tattvam for Ishvara. That is, he is the controller, he is the regulator, he is the source of everybody. So that tattvam we only will know at the time when our soul accepts the fact of Bhagavan. And he is the water. That means he is staying on the Vaikuntham. Vaikuntham where he stays in the Ananda Bhagavan, and it is residing on the water, as well as from the Nabi the lotus is coming, and lotus stays only in the water. And we could see that everything will be related mostly with the water. That's why he is called Narayana. He is the only residence for all the creations. Narah. Narah means he is directing everything. He is the eternal Paramatma that is inside us. And that Narah, that's why Narah means Manishan or the men or the human being. That is called Narah. And he himself is the person who is residing inside us, that soul. So here we are seeing Suprasaadah, Prasannaatmaa, Visvadhrik, Visvabhuk, Vibhuh, Satkartaa, Satkritah, Saadhuh, Jahnuh, Naaraayanah, Narah. So we will be reaching 246th name of Bhagavan. Suprasaadah, Prasannaatmaa, Visvadhrik, Visvabhuk, Vibhuh, Satkartaa, Satkritah, Saadhuh, jahnur-naaraayano Narah.